Alright, so if you've got to this stage of the game, you've likely come across a supercomputer. This wonderful technology where it wants you to perform maths to verify your data cards before researching them. You can see in the recipe, it has a set of instructions. It says you must combine A with B using provided mathematical operator, one of 4, and output it as X. So if you want to do this manually, you can do that with just a single arithmetic combinator. And the first thing you've got to do, first thing you got to do is set your signals. A, B, and X. You can see here, your output terminal is outputting A, B, and a minus signal. So you wire that in, and you connect the output of the arithmetic to the input terminal. Now, what you do is you select the correct operator, and it outputs correct, and now it's changed to a different operator. Select that one, continue, and eventually you get your first card. That's going to be extremely tedious. I'm sure not everyone wants to do that. So, the next thing you'll probably want to do is set up some decider combinators along with your arithmetic combinators. Each decider combinator is going to check for each of the different operators. So in this case, checking if plus is greater than 0. If it is, then output everything at the input count. And then you can connect that one to your operator, A plus B, output X. And now, if we connect that to here, we just copy this all the way down and set it up to match each of the different operators. You can see that it's now asking for multiplication. So we're going to choose multiplication. And it's going quite far, but now it's asking for division, the last thing we haven't set up yet. So we set up division. And the moment we connect this, it will be running at full capacity. There we go. Now obviously, inserters can't keep up, too slow. Which is why we have multiple. Now it's almost able to keep up. Obviously, different people will have different setups. This one is only a tutorial. It's meant to show you how the computer works, not necessarily how it's supposed to actually function in your game. If you want it to look pretty, then what you can do is grab some lamps, chuck it down the center, and just connect it up. And then over here, you can add the output for a green at 1. And on here, use color mapping and enable if anything is greater than 0. Go all the way down. Green 1. green 1. Now, obviously, you don't have to choose green. You can choose any other color you want. I'm not going to force you to choose green. But this is a very basic computer for this particular data card. You can feel free to make your own computer if you like, but this is the one I've been using. It's the one that Ubenoob has been using. It's even in the data screen menu simulation. So this is the first data card. I will create a separate video for the next one once I have figured that one out and how to properly explain it. Until next time, thanks for watching.